Hi everyone, in this section we will be talking about algorithm. An algorithm is a set of rules used to solve a specific problem or perform a specific tasks. Algorithms are commonly used in various fields including mathematics, computer science and engineering. So basically we can say an algorithm is a set of steps to accomplish a task. So you have a goal to accomplish something. You want to get a success. It cannot be done in a one single step. So you have a very complicated task. You have to simplify this into little tasks, and this whole thing are formed by using these algorithms. So you've performed those little tasks, and then finally you do the whole thing after completing these small tasks, and then this algorithm will help you to accomplish this whole big task. So that's going to lead us to success. It can be done only by planned work with organized works. So actually here algorithm takes an important role. We can see also another algorithm that leads us to success. So you are here, that person, and you start with an idea, you think about it, and then you analyze, you plan it, and then you put into practice by trying and doing and over. And if you get the good positive results, then you keep doing this, so it will lead you to success. This is the positive way. If you actually don't do well in your thinking, then you change it, and then you analyze it again, you plan it, you try, and you do it. If it's not working, you come back, you try another one, and then you do it, it doesn't work, you come back, you try another one. And if you apply and you see that you have positive result, then you do it again, and you make sure that it works well, and you keep on doing that, and then it will lead you again success. After reviewing this success algorithm, let's together look at the how algorithms are being formed in our daily life. Let's say we want to drink a cold water. What is the first step we do? We open the fridge, and then in the following step we do take the bottle of water, and we get the cup of glass, and we fill the cup, and later on we quench the thirst, right? So this is the basic steps to get a cold water. We can see the similar example in math as well. Let's say we have this problem. There are too much problems we cannot solve in one single attempt. So we need a lot of steps to follow. Actually, those steps gonna simplify the problems into small problems. As we solve the small problems, so together all the solutions will take us to the solution of the big problem. Okay, so now let's start from the equation. So first step that we will follow, this one, as you see there is a number here, and the below one will be reversed. Also the same thing we do below of the division, and then as we follow the steps, it will take us to the result. So as it looked very complicated to solve the problem in a single step, and as you apply the steps by simplifying the problem into easier ones, and then you will find the result easily. Okay, it won't be complicated at all. All right, after we review these all kind of examples related to algorithm, I believe it become clear to you. Hope to see you in the coming section. Bye bye.